This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Ubiquiti Network's LiteBeam AC Gen2. The model's LBE-5AC Gen2. So let's crack it open and see what we got. So inside first you can see this device has an integrated radio, so you can set it up that way. It tells you to use Umobile, but now it's UNMS, so search for that instead in the iTunes and Google Play Store. Or you can just set it up the traditional way. Inside the box we have the IntelliFeed, the feeding plate for the antenna, azimuth mount, elevation mount, 24 volt, 0.3 amp PoE, power cord for it, the screws for the reflector plates, the wing nuts for the elevation and azimuth aligning. You have your pole clamp, the horn radio itself, lights go in here. Underneath we have the quick start guide and the reflector shields. So here's the, like I said, the radio itself. I already have one fully assembled for you, so you can have a look and see what it looks like. So here it is, fully assembled. You can align it with the wing nuts and whatnot, just like that. When it's on the pole, you can actually turn it and it will click and adjust, and then after that you can go ahead and just lock it down. Make sure you crank these things down, because with the wind and whatnot it could definitely move, so just make sure these are super tight. So there you have it. Once again, that was the Ubiquiti Network's LiteBeam AC Gen2 unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.